You see, there are 4 stages of consciousness. One is the awakening state, one is the dreaming state, one is the sleeping state. Now, the dreaming and sleeping state is the process of releasing the stress. That whatever stress you have accumulated, you have to release it. And then the 4th state is the state of Turiya Avastha. That is the cosmic state of consciousness. That is the state which is a state of absolute truthfulness. You go beyond the phenomena of mind. One is the conscious mind, one is the subconscious mind. And when you cross over the subconscious, then is the cosmic state of consciousness. So when you go into meditation in that particular state, when you enter naturally, you release all those unwanted negative psychic impressions. And this is, I remember the Maharishi saying, that a person is in a state of stress. And then when a hypnotherapist, they come, what they do is they overpower his consciousness. They say, you will listen to what I say. It is against the principles of Shiva Yoga. How can you hand over your consciousness to somebody else and let him do whatever he has to do with you? No way. That is the first thing. Second thing is that the sadhana has to be done in a sitting position. Why we do in a sitting position? Because our objective is to raise the consciousness. And the moment you are in a lying down state, all your defenses and your control on yourself is not there. Then you are in the control of somebody else. So please, those who are going for these sessions, please do not go. All Shiva Yogis, I tell them not to go near that. Then a person is in a stress, and I am commanding them that you listen to my command and you go into hypnotic sleep. Now, this stress and you are listening to the command, will it go down or will it go up? This is what is being seen through electroencephalography, that the level of, that the per cycles, that brain waves, even that go higher. That go higher, not down. And then you stretch up further. And then after that you say, you are all right. Then you say, no, you don't have a problem and you are all right. So the problem remains there. Like the garbage is there in the house, and you say, now you can't see the garbage. You are not cleaning the garbage, but you are saying that, no, where is the garbage? There is no garbage. And you say, okay, there is no garbage, but the garbage is there. The foul smell is also there. So what is very important is a natural method. A natural method is the method of sadhana. That is why the Shiva Yoga is becoming popular, or the Buddhist way of meditation is becoming popular. Had it been the hypnotism so easy, it could have become very popular, but no. Even the West is not accepting. So in India, please do not accept that. It is, and do not offer yourself to anybody's command. Nobody should enter into your mind to give you command that you are under my command, you will listen to me, all that. So this is what I learned. I said it is absolutely wrong.